BBAI stock analysis, 12th of August, Tuesday and onward. Am I buying or not? Watch this brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. This was what everyone was talking about. So we went from 7, now it's opening at 5.11. I'll get rid of all this stuff here, and these links are just gonna be passed, like right there, gonna be moved right here and right here. That's previous proof because of the last 5 trades that I've taken. I've gotten 3 wins, 2 break-evens, and now we're sitting at $5. Let's zoom out and not freaking. Okay, 4-hour chart. Seems like we're going to be coming down to hit some big demand zones now. Fine, even if we open here and this thing is just $2 lower, I'm not going to be immediately buying or anything. Yeah, because this is going to be a lot of waiting right now with BBAI. A lot of waiting. Probably about like 1 week or so, because in order for me to buy whilst the price opens here, I must have seen the confirmation already happening, right? And like, welcome to trading. This stuff is going to happen. Nothing unusual. It's just that once I see like a swing here, intraday trades can also be long, but that's only if there's a shift. And this is why I always say, waiting for a shift, waiting for a double break. That's how it's looking like for me. I do have a lot of receipts with BBAI. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.